Welcome to your dream home. I'm Nathan Meyer, the real estate transformer with the Home Squad team brokered by eXp Realty. I'm standing in front of 7955 Magnolia Bend Court here in Kissimmee, Florida. This home is located right off of 429 and 192. It's nestled in this quaint and quiet neighborhood. I like it here, and I know you will too. Let's take a tour. As we enter this 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, you'll be captivated by the vaulted ceilings that open up the space. The updated kitchen features stainless steel appliances, new backsplash, and granite countertops, bringing a touch of sophistication in every corner. On the first floor, you have a huge primary bedroom suite. The renovated limestone bathrooms are truly a sight to behold. Immerse yourself in luxury as you relax and unwind in the ambiance of pure indulgence. Step outside to your private oasis, a lush backyard and a screened-in pool, where you can host gatherings, create lasting memories, or simply bask in the serenity of your own slice of paradise. With 3 additional bedrooms upstairs, you'll be impressed by the seamless engineered flooring that graces each room, offering both beauty and durability. And the best part? This home offers the flexibility you need with over 2,600 square feet of living space. Whether you're looking for a primary residence or considering short-term or long-term rentals, the choice is yours. This property is truly a treasure that embraces versatility and promises to adapt to your unique lifestyle. Thanks for joining me. If you're ready to experience luxury living, this home is the one for you. Contact me, Nathan Meyer, and I'll set up a showing today. See you soon.